It's day 2 of the Drop by Drop campaign. Today we are taking action along addressing the pollution. We are here along the Klip Rivier picking some papers and waste litter. Together with the community, we believe that every little action makes a difference.
The reason we're here today is because of the Drop by Drop campaign. Together we can make a difference, where we're on the ground, putting our words into action. So what we're basically doing here today is interviewing residents on the water uses, on the water practices that they're implementing in their households, just to get an idea on their perspectives in terms of water conservation, and to see this questionnaires will be able to help us, or the survey will be able to help us in determining how we can best assist or help this community with water conservation, and how they can be sustainable in saving water.